Scholarships are one way AOPA is working to get the next generation into aviation. Another is introducing aviation into high schools as a way to advance STEM education. Last weekend, AOPA held the first high school aviation symposium in Lakeland, Florida. Warren Morningstar reports.
American kids are falling behind. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development ranks American 15-year-olds at 29th in the world in math literacy, 22nd in science, and 19th in reading. American businesses can't find employees with the technical skills to fill their jobs.
Our problem is we have a 65,000 square foot facility and we could hire 20 sheet metal fabricators tomorrow, but we can't find them.
And it's not just technicians. Boeing says the world is going to need more than 500,000 new pilots over the next 20 years and 600,000 technicians. And the need goes beyond aviation. In just the next 5 years, the economy is going to create the need for more than 1 million new science, technology, engineering, and math jobs. But within that problem is a solution, not only for getting skilled workers, but also for growing general aviation. AOPA's High School Aviation Initiative is part of that solution.
We are going to go raise money from a lot of individuals, from corporations, to help sponsor and support this activity. It may start out slow, but we know we're going to build STEAM. And STEAM is the right word: science, technology, engineering, aviation, and math. It is something we're committed to. And as I said, this organization, being 77 years old, knows that we've got to figure out how to create these pathways.
AOPA invited some 150 educators and others interested in aviation education to Lakeland, Florida earlier this week.
Because we want you all to get to know each other. We want you to learn from each other. The whole idea of being here today is for educators to be able to share best practices, share ideas.
Share ideas on how to use aviation to get kids excited about science, technology, engineering, and math.
So we brought that into the high school, and the students wanted more.
Tim Smith runs the National Air and Space Academy in Kentucky. They provide the resources to develop and promote study and proficiency in STEM subjects for students in grades 9 through 12.
Well, our mission is to improve STEM learning through career pathways. This is a CTE program, Career Technical Education. So Career and Technical Education is our vehicle to get this program implemented in the schools. Our schools take our courses from 9th grade to 12th grade, again, as part of Career and Technical Education. If you remember the old wood shop, the old auto mechanics classes, that's what this is, except it's for aerospace.
Now, his program is an example of using aviation to teach STEM in any setting.
Any school can be an Air and Space Academy.
Now, some have taken the approach of building standalone aviation high schools like the West Michigan Aviation Academy.
Tuition-free public charter high school with an emphasis on aviation and engineering. We don't have music, we don't have debate, we don't have some of those elective programs. Our electives are in the area of engineering and aviation.
Another aviation academy profiled at the symposium was Raisbeck Aviation High School outside Seattle,
where the kids are involved in a more or less a perpetual pep rally for technological education. And they're so enthused about what they're doing.
And the enthusiasm among the educators at the symposium was palpable.
So we want to take the successes, grow more of them, take people that have said, I don't think I know how to start this, get them involved, and then try and solve some of the problems that exist in this room. And we want to share that so we have outcomes that are different because we did something about it. Not talked about it, not had meetings about it, but we did something about it.
You can learn more about AOPA's High School Aviation Initiative at the URL there on your screen. In Lakeland, Florida, Warren Morningstar, AOPA Live.